Hello everybody. Welcome back to Mike's Microbe Peeps. The microbe that we're going to be peeping at today is a rotifer. It's some species of the genus Bronchionus. And if you check it out, how sweet is this? This little girl here has an egg. You can see the shape, sometimes a little bit of details of the tiny little baby rotifer that's inside the egg. And you can see her moving along, doing some feeding. She has cilia on the front of her head, and that cilia is called her corona. Rotifers beat these corona in circular motions. That's why when microscopists first discovered them over 300 years ago, they called them wheel animals because it looked like they had little wheels on the front of their head. In fact, rotifers were first discovered by this guy. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Sweet robe, right? I've got to order one of those. Anyway, rotifers vary greatly. There's about 2,200 species of rotifers in the world. Some of them crawl along the substrate, some of them swim, like this rotifer here, and some of them actually move like an inchworm, touching their tail to their head and extending their body. As you can see here, rotifers feed by moving their cilia in circular motions and drawing food into their mouth. Rotifers will eat just about anything that's big enough to fit in their mouth, decomposing plant matter, bacteria, algae, single-celled organisms. Rotifers are also multicellular creatures. So that means that they have a body with organs, such as the stomach and reproductive organs that you can see in a lot of these pictures. If you notice, rotifers have a protruding limb. It's called their foot, and their foot anchors to the substrate by the two toes that you can see in a lot of these pictures so that they can hold themselves stationary while they feed. The rotifer in this video is about 400 microns, which is almost a half of a millimeter long, which means it could actually be seen with the naked eye, but it would look like a tiny speck in a drop of water. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.